Hi! Welcome to my channel. So today I wanted to make a little video to introduce myself and to introduce my new channel. My name is Olia and I'm 24, I'm French, and my channel, as you can see, will be most of it on how you can make your own cosmetics. The story is that I'm a total beginner, so I thought that it would be very nice to share with you guys what experience we can have when we want to make our own cosmetics, and how you can do it and how you can fail it. But also just like okay, to share good vibes. I mean, actually we can really see it with what is happening on the planet, I mean on the whole world. We can see that it's really like becoming a strange time with strange things and with really hard and tough things. I think that my biggest purpose with this channel, it would be to share with you, yeah, good vibes, I don't know how we say it, good energy, how we say it, I don't know, just like the joy to live. I don't even know if it's really English actually, but okay, I don't know how to say it in another way. I hope that you've enjoyed the two first videos and that you'll enjoy the new ones, because I plan to do a lot. And okay, if you are interested in all this, you can just like subscribe here and activate the little bell to know whenever I post a new video. So I hope to see you very soon with a new way to make your own cosmetics. Oh, and I forgot to say something. I'm not sure that I will only do cosmetics. Yeah, you can see it's like for me very nice to do and I love it, but I really hope that I could do something else or something more, I don't know, we'll see. So bye bye, and of course take care.